Teen Wham News at 10.
We begin tonight with reaction from Rochester's Police Accountability Board after a judge struck down its ability to do much of their work.
We're a resilient group, and don't count us out. We're going to continue to move forward, and I really feel good about where our staff is and what we're looking to do moving forward.
Good evening, I'm Karen Edwards. A significant court ruling setting strict limits on the powers of Rochester's Police Accountability Board, dramatically altering the board's role. This after the Rochester Police Locust Club sued, calling into question the PAB's authority. 13 Wham's Daniel Finkelstein joins us now to break down the judge's decision and how the PAB is reacting. Daniel.
Well, that's right, Karen, and it's unclear if the board will appeal this decision. At tonight's meeting, board members appeared optimistic at first. Then they went into executive session to discuss what to do next. A sweeping decision from the New York State Supreme Court, bringing uncertainty to the Rochester Police Accountability Board.
We are all in this together, reimagining and reworking safety in Rochester for everybody. All we need is additional cooperation. So don't give up on us.
The board's director optimistic, despite the ruling leaving the PAB essentially unable to do what it set out to do when it was created.
We want to make sure the community know that we are still here and we are still moving forward.
In a legal battle with the Rochester Police Locust Club, the judge blocking the board from taking any role in disciplining officers, holding hearings, compelling officer testimony, or publishing case reports with disciplinary recommendations. The judge citing earlier rulings, which determined that the PAB's authority to discipline officers violated state civil service laws, the city charter, and the Locust Club's collective bargaining agreement with the city.
So we have to figure out how to make sure that we stay within the legal confines should that ruling stay. And again, should is an operative word here now. And figure out what we can do to make sure that the community remains aware, informed about what their rights are, etc.
The lawsuit came after the PAB published 31 redacted reports detailing allegations of police misconduct, a move the police union said could endanger officers. The PAB is now removing some documents to comply with the ruling.
I needed to ensure that we work through our website. We have documents, we have procedures. Our public affairs and community engagement team has lots of documents. So we have to go back and we have to rework, rewrite, edit, pull some of those documents, and that does take time.
In a statement, the Locust Club said it was pleased with the judge's ruling, writing in part, quote, "We have known for many years that the PAB's activities were outside of its statutory authority. The decision reflects that reality," end quote. Now, again, it's not clear if the PAB will appeal this decision. City Council President Miguel Melendez says council is now trying to determine next steps. Karen, back to you.